Getting on here to taste test my Christmas dinner. Mm. This is great and delicious. Treasure Planet 8898 fam. Yeah, got me some new pajama pants for Christmas, and a new flat screen TV, which I haven't put up yet. That's what I got so far. Mm. The dressing, the greens here, and the cranberry sauce. Mm. Yeah, I bought my mom a new elephant, like a statue elephant or a sculpture, like, cause she love them. She love elephants, so she have a bunch of those elephants on the table. But this is a plastic one that don't break. I bought her. I had bought her one last year. I think it was last year. I had bought her three of them. So I get her. So whenever we're in there, I let her choose what she like because they have statues of stuff like elephants and plastics, or these statues that look like African statues. And here you go, fam. I finally have my Christmas tree up in my decorated room. And that complete my decorated room. I have another wreath in the back, but I'll show in another video.